Hey guys, today it's me, I'm back. So today I'm going to play with Play-Doh. So first I wet my hands, and then I get out the Play-Doh. First, I gotta try to fight it. Hold the thing, the jig, the thingy. Then I can start playing with it, and it's so soft. And watch, this is my favorite part about this kind of Play-Doh. It's stretchy, but sometimes it doesn't like to cooperate with you. There's still a bunch left in here. And this is a big batch of Play-Doh. So there we go. And then every time you want to play with Play-Doh, if you want it to be stretchy, just while you're in the middle of playing with it, you just wet your hands or wet the Play-Doh. You gotta get up and go to the bathroom instead of using a pot. If you need to use the pot, you could. If you don't need to, just wet Play-Doh until it's like gooey wet, like disgusting feeling, because it's like sticking to my ring. You got fun with it. There we go. I got like a yellow slime. So hey guys, today is me, I'm back. So today I'm going to be playing with slime. It's so sticky. Like, and it's the best slime ever, but it doesn't stretch that much. It only stretches to how I want it to. But if you want it to stretch it very much, you just pull very slowly. So, and if you know, I got Gilza and stuff. And it's summertime right now. This stuff is very sticky. I can feel my face when I'm with you.